Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to defend yourself with Swiss. Now, you know, the classic way to defend yourself, a knife. Yeah. But, sorry, I got the sneezing. You know, when your Swiss doesn't have enough, there's a big chance, sorry, it will. It's really cold in here. Trying to room. There's a mattress set up behind me that I can hit and beat the crap out of. Besides the point, I'm going to be telling you how to defend yourself with the hook, which is the can opener, or whatever opener. Now, basically what you want to do is hook onto someone, hook. Now, basically, you're in this dance, hook, like that. Now, if I put you up like this, that should be upward. See that right in the background? Yeah. That's what I'm going to be hitting. If I upward you more, that's maximum height level. See? Now, change the direction of it. Facing this way. So it's helping overall. We're going to make this work. We're going to make it work. We're going to make this work. And it's going to be cool and it's going to be awesome. There we go. Now, when I hit it, it'll go down. See? But if your opponent falls on you, cover it like this, punch him, upper hook, push him back like that. And if he's on the wall, down and hook him right in the mouth. And then push him off the wall and run, unless you want to finish him off. See that? All that I did, hook him. Now if your opponent's to your side and they're really strong, you're going to want to hook them over, and then flip them. And that's how you're going to flip them. You flip them, you hit them. Now depending on where you're going to hook them, you hook them in the collar, it's not going to work. You hook them anywhere else, probably work. Try to hook them somewhere. Anywhere that's vulnerable and you see it, hook them, lift them up, put them on you, and then flip them over like that. Alright? I'm going to show you. Oh, I faced this the wrong way. Yeah, sorry if you want me to do some stuff faster. It's just that it takes time. 3 minutes already passed, goddamn. Now, I'm sorry this isn't an edited video. You would probably want it to be edited when I set everything up. But I'm sorry. To tell you the truth, I'm a little bit lazy. But, yeah. After that, you can push them off the wall. Well, if there's a punch bag and you're practicing, push up to the wall. Now, I'm going to show you that technique one more time. The hook and flip. You hook them, you put them on you, you take the hook out, you go under, and you can flip them forward instead, and then elbow in the stomach. Jump on them and elbow them. That was another example. That's the way to defend yourself. Remember, these are not lethal techniques. It could be lethal for people who are delicate. Like, if you're trying to, kill someone and you hit them in the throat by accident, and you're trying to do stuff like that, be careful with what you do. Now, there we go. That was one of the techniques. You saw him when he was coming to my back? I grabbed him on the waist, flipped him back onto my back, grabbed this part and flipped him over like that. If you can't do it fast, it's fine. Just don't give your opponent enough time to recover, or else you're gonna have problems, and he's gonna counter your flip and flip you and push you to the ground. And that's bad when he has a weapon, or just bad in general, because he's gonna beat the crap out of you when you're on the floor. He's gonna fuck you up when you're on the floor. But anyway, that's kind of important. You know what? I'm gonna put music in this video. I'm gonna upload it onto my editing system. I'm not gonna be that lazy. I'm gonna put music in it. I'm gonna edit it with music. Now this is the hook, as in the easy one. There's a square one. Now this is a popular Swiss Army, which is why it has all these different ones. It's an original. You see this hook? This hook is harder to use, but it still works. See? You can also hook onto your opponent by the shirt. And if you want to threaten them, if that's your style, if that's how you roll, if that's how you want it, get them by the collar, lift them up, and then you listen, throw them on the ground. He's gonna dick it out, step on his arm. That's interrogation. The time for this video is almost up. I'm going to the maximum time limit, where 14:59. I'm going to 14:40. 14:40. That's how long this video is going to be. 14:40. Sorry, I keep going on. This is my training room. I got a lot of shit laying around. I got another mattress over there. These are guest beds, which is why I beat the shit out of them, because they're no use. You barely get guests, except for when my friend sleeps over, Caitlin sleeps over, stuff like that. People sleep over, family members. That's getting boring. Now I gotta start beating the shit out of stuff. I've just been talking about shit that doesn't even involve the training. Now look, you still got it, you're still good. Now, let me show you that technique where I flip them. For this technique, let's put this away. But for this technique, you don't even need the hook. This is just a way to defend yourself an easier way. Now, for instance, if an opponent's coming up behind you, squat, grab his waist, and then flip him over like that, and then grab his legs and flip him around. Just like that. He fell. That he would have fell the other way if he did that. Now look at this. This is another way to defend yourself without any weapons. Now watch. Kick, jump, hop onto his legs. Pull him down, flip him onto the ground, jump on him. After that, get up and run, or get up and finish him off, or knock him out. Whatever seems safe to you for your running distance. Like, beat him up for 15 seconds and then run. Hopefully he doesn't have enough stamina left. Just kick him a few times if you want while he's on the floor. Like soccer, kick him in the head a few times. His head's a soccer ball. Anyway. Well guys, we're about to wrap this up, but I actually don't know what to say right now, because I did all the techniques that are necessary for defending yourself. Alright, here's the Swiss Army one more time. Now, if this Swiss Army has scissors, but they're like weak, like mine, see? You can walk up to him and like threaten him. And if he pulls out a big knife, just get out the hook and get out this thing. And then do this. Now there's a knife on there. Now, switch it 2 times. left. Now, if you don't do it fast enough, you could have a few chances disarming yourself, or disarming you, sorry. And then in general, this, you should always have one. A wallet, a phone, Swiss, and if you live in Texas or UK or anything like that, you're probably allowed to like carry a gun with you or something. Or like a Glock. A Swiss Army knife. Spare money. Secret. And you know, a flashlight and your wallet. And your ID and all that shit. And then put it where no one will suspect. Well guys, I know I said this was gonna be longer, but 3 minutes down. Bye guys, I'll see you later. Yes, I'm still staring at you.